Imagine you sit down at your desk. You have your morning coffee and you unlock your laptop. Beside your laptop, you have 2 external monitors, and on each screen, you have more than 20 open tabs, slowing down your computer. Recent studies show multitasking is detrimental to the efficient completion of your tasks. Let's embrace human behavior and use technology to be more efficient and productive. During this session, we'll show you how to use the latest AI tools and techniques to become more productive and efficient than ever before. You'll learn how to automate tedious tasks, analyze data with pinpoint accuracy, and make more informed decisions, all with the help of cutting-edge AI technology. Imagine what it would feel like to have more time, less stress, and more control over your work. That's the power of AI for productivity and efficiency, and it's all waiting for you at this workshop. Join me, Katana Lemelin, for the future is AI-rriving.